What's up, guys? You're watching another video. I'm gonna just start daily vlogging, bro. I swear I'm gonna start picking up the camera more and just filming. Even if I got no plans or if there's no car meet, I'm just gonna pick up the camera and start vlogging, bro. I'm sure some of you guys want to see that. Right now I'm taking this package to the post office. Shout out to everyone who ordered something from the website. I appreciate it so much. It actually means so much to me, bro. I mean, you guys don't need to order anything, but when you guys do, it just shows how much support I really have, and it's freaking awesome. It blows my mind, bro. Thank you. This order was last night. Shout out to Yesenia Ruiz from Whittier, bro. It's pretty close by, honestly. I should go deliver it. A new merch drop is coming, guys. We're working on it right now. We got a really cool design that I cannot wait to show you guys. I think you guys are gonna love this one. This might be my favorite design. But for now, anything that's on the website right now, I'm doing a huge discount code for you guys. It's 50% off. I've never done that big of a discount in my life. 50% off. I know there's very limited things. There's only a couple more sizes left. So there's honestly barely anything left. So if you guys do want to cop something, if you want to support me and the channel, go to shop.FindingNick.com. I'm gonna leave the link down below. It's the first link in the description. Use code XMAS at checkout, XMAS, and you'll get 50% off on the website, anything you order. Let's go ship this out to Yesenia and see what else we get into today. So you guys, I think daily vlogging is cool because you guys get to see what I do throughout the day. But this is what I do with all your guys' packages. And just like that, the package goes to you guys. I think it's crazy that the packages come from my garage and I package them. I put them all in the bags for you guys, and then they go straight to the post office and then to your door. I don't know, it's pretty crazy. It looks cool?
Hell no.
Why?
Who did that, bro?
All of us. Does it look good?
There's no way you guys gonna fill it that don't got, bro.
I know, I want to fix it because I want to actually keep it. All right, guys. We're always trying to beat the sun, but we gotta hurry up and go get a Christmas tree. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put a Christmas tree on top of the GTR. We got Hugo here. Hugo actually went back to Fresno for a couple days, but he finally got back literally like 5 minutes ago. So now that he's back, we're gonna go film a YouTube video. Wish me luck, guys. I really hope I don't scratch my roof with this stupid Christmas tree. But it does look cool when you put a tree on top of your car. All right, guys, we made it. All these Christmas trees. All right, we gotta find a tree that will fit on the GTR or on Hugo's car. Now they got me contemplating on putting it on my GTR. David said I shouldn't do it. Don't do it?
Don't fucking.
Why?
You're tripping.
I'm gonna scratch the roof?
Yes, bro. You wanna put on his car by a fucking top, bro. This guy's tripping.
I don't know whose car we're gonna put it on, but hopefully it doesn't scratch it.
Oh, they're really small.
How much are these though?
Like $200.
I know, I feel like they're a lot, bro. I'm not kidding. All right, we want the smallest one. It's gonna be like that.
No, it's gonna be this. Look at
This one, David? Yeah, that one looks nice, Jordan. She low-key looks skinny though.
Yeah, we don't like skinny bitches around here.
Where's the thick one at, bro?
It's big.
Let's do it. Let's open it up and see how it looks. All right, we found a better one, guys. Look how nice this one is.
Oh, that smells bomb.
It smells good?
Like a treat.
I wish I was able to smell.
No, it's
Bro, this one looks good, huh? All right, guys, we gotta go inside and pay for this tree. And I also want to find some lights since it's dark out. All right, guys, we got the tree. We have the GTR. This is the hard part now. Dude, I'm scared.
Look how thin this shit is, bro.
What?
Oh.
It's gonna scratch it?
Bro, I have a big, like a viral one, bro. For one,
What?
it's not even big enough.
It's big enough.
Bro, look how thin this shit is.
It doesn't expand that.
That's what I'm saying. It's good look. We'll see. Hopefully this works, guys. I'm actually scared.
Bro, this is gonna work, bro. Well, it's super light, anyways.
I know. It's not gonna scratch, bro.
Oh! It's small, bro. The tree's not even big. Yeah, you guys are good right there.
Oh, we just put it back on the baby. All right, now we need to tie it, and I don't know how we're gonna do it.
Lower the windows down.
Ask them for help, bro. Come on, man. Are we going to open fight? All right, how full days?
Free on a GTR.
That's actually pretty crazy, though. When the fuck do you really see it?
This is like, he doesn't give a fuck, you know?
Yeah, he's made out of money, bro. He shits money. It's okay.
I do not shit money, bro.
It seems like they're gonna get the car after this.
What do you think he is?
He's a thug or what?
What? Look at these island boys.
He's an island boy.
You
don't wanna get me mad, or maybe I'm just living way too fast.
Somebody commented that.
What?
They said I'm the triplet of them. I'm the third one.
Why?
There's no way I look like them. No way.
You got a face tap. So they said that.
Hey guys, like 5 minutes later, look what happened. Let me see. We're just trying to strap it down. We haven't even done it yet. But just look at all these like marks that this fucking little string is leaving.
Okay.
My paint, by the way, is like beautiful. Look, there's no swirls, no scratches. It's all ceramic coated. But right here, you can actually see. I don't know, it's hard to see, bro. Put the light right here.
Like,
It's very hard to see, guys, but you can see. Oh, right there, look. You can kind of see there's lines. We're scratching it, so I don't think I'm gonna do it, bro. We do got another car here, though, Hugo.
$50.
You gonna put it on your car, bro.
That shit is horrible.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get like wax and polish and polish it like that. It's causing scratches. So I'm done, guys. No more.
Bro.
No GTR. We failed. It was cool on the E36, but not on this. That sucks, guys. I really wanted to see a Christmas tree on top of the GTR. At least we got to see how it looks, but if my car was wrapped, it would be a different story. I wouldn't care. The change of plans. Good thing Hugo brought his M3. We can put the Christmas tree. We can put the Christmas tree on Hugo's car. And I'm sure a lot of you guys would rather see me put a Christmas tree on top of Hugo's M3. I know a lot of you guys love the E92 M3 videos. I do too. I love this car. If you guys didn't know, David's actually an amateur boxer. He has one fight under his belt.
he's 0-1 actually.
Oh yeah, he's 0-1 right now, but yeah, at least he has one amateur boxing match. Alright guys, look, we got it on there. It does look pretty cool on the E92. I wanted to do it on my E92, I just never did it, but hopefully it doesn't fall off. Now we're gonna go to Walmart and try to get some Christmas lights to wrap around the tree, just so it lights up, because right now it just looks like a Fortnite bush on his roof.
Dude, we ran out of lights over there.
Bro, I'm kind of bummed that I just scratched my car.
Why?
Bro, it scratched my roof, dude. And we didn't end up doing it, so I literally scratched it for nothing. Bro, it looks sick.
Bro, it's gonna fly. I feel like if I do a turn fast, that shit's just gonna go one way, bro.
Just drive slow. I hope it doesn't come off, bro. Or we're gonna go pick it up off the street. It's only one little string holding it. That shit looks crazy. Right now, it kind of looks like a bush, bro. It doesn't look like a Christmas tree. We gotta put some lights on it, so it actually looks cool. Oh my god, look at this. You go. Bro, the trunk looks so sick with the Christmas paper. I'm not gonna lie, I want to keep it like this. Alright guys, we're back at Walmart now. We gotta find some Christmas lights for the tree.
100.
He's getting in trouble?
He's snitching him out.
No way David's gonna stitch him out. Well, Walmart was a fail. We still didn't find lights, bro.
By the time we get all this stuff, it's gonna be sadly, it's gonna be like fucking 12 o'clock.
Guys, we tried 2 stores already. I'm gonna try one more store.
Why the fuck's everything again?
Everything's sold out already, guys. But we still got like a whole week till Christmas. It's like store number 3, 4, I don't even know, dude. But there's no lights. I don't understand how every freaking store is sold out of lights. Oh, it looks so sick. If only we had lights, bro. Oh my god. The tree looks like it's about to fall. Bro, I don't know, you know. Bro, it's gonna fall off. Bro, look what just happened, guys. The wrapping paper just came off. Oh my god, I knew that was gonna happen. I knew it. Oh my god, dude. Look at the damage, guys. I don't know how, but we just went to like every Home Depot and every
store we came to.
every like Home Depot that we could possibly find. These are the only ones that they had. Red Christmas lights, so they're all red. It might look pretty cool, not gonna lie. And then we got little cigarette lighter things so that we can plug them into Hugo's car to make them work.
Hey,
I
you know
swear.
you guys don't gotta take a shit?
Nah, sorry, Jordan. Go take a shit. Let's see. Oh my god, it's working.
It's working, guys.
All
There's
right.
a little bit of lights.
No, it should be enough. We're done. We finally got some lights. Hey, we need like colorful ones, but whatever. These are cool. It sucks because they're not colorful. Last time on the E36, I had like rainbow colored ones and it just looked more like Christmas vibes. It still looks kind of cool, I'm not gonna lie. We're probably gonna head to this little mall that's close by to our house and just get some people's reactions.
Can I get pulled over?
I don't know. It does look kind of cool, I'm not gonna lie. It's all crooked, bro. Oh shit, a Hellcat. Huh?
The tree's loose.
I know.
Let it go. Let it go. Look.
Oh my god, dude. Look how loose the string is now. Yeah, that tree's barely holding on for his life, bro. We got the big ass tree and the little ass tree. Bro, I wish there was a place to park, bro. It's so funny.
Everybody just staring.
People are looking at it. That's the Porsche that we were talking about. Oh, I want that shit so bad, guys.
Is that fast?
The Taycan. Yo, I got my GTR right now.
Bro, this really has this hanging out here.
I know.
And look at this, another one right here.
Another Beamer. You got a little tire on it. Oh, this is hard, bro. That shit's sick.
That's what I need right there.
Yeah, that shit's hard. I would whip that, bro.
That's really the baby.
Another cool thing about this place is that a lot of people just pull up in like really sick cars on the weekends. That was pretty sick too. Alright guys, we took a couple iPhone photos. I'll throw them on the screen right here. Little iPhone photo shoot, but we're gonna call it a night because it's freaking cold. A long day trying to find some freaking Christmas lights. I'm not kidding, I was tempted to go home and take off the Christmas lights off the tree at my house.